guys, welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and drop a nice comment, and actually even a question if you want. Okay, and I hope you have a great week. Okay, let's get right into it. So today I'm definitely going to be talking about would I use the word entitled people, or people that just feel like you owe them something. So for instance, you know how like you have WhatsApp. I always say that WhatsApp is meant to be for like family, close friends, and easy access for communication with like someone for business or whatnot, you know. But then again, if someone wants to contact you on WhatsApp for business, the person would have probably sent you an email or called you or something, and then you'd be like, okay, you know what, let's continue the conversation on WhatsApp. Now I have a problem with people that I don't know you, I haven't probably met you before, I don't have your number, so obviously your number is not saved on my phone, and then you get a message like, Lilian, I want something, maybe I want money or something funny, right? Or you just went right to it. No good afternoon, no introduction whatsoever. And then when you reply like, oh, good afternoon, please, who is this? They go, don't you know me? And I'm just like, how am I supposed to know you? Like, you just sent me a message. Your number is not even saved on my phone. So how in God's name am I supposed to know who I'm chatting with? So how am I supposed to just be all nice and hi? And I'm like, I don't even know who you are. I just feel like people need ethics. Like, people need to understand what privacy means. Like, you can't just go into someone's space like that. You just send someone a WhatsApp message and expect them to just be all lovey-dovey or all like chitty-chatty with you. And bear in mind, some people, in fact, me personally, I don't like chatting. Like, I do not like chatting. I rather just talk on the phone, get right to it, and just keep it moving. And then sometimes another thing that happens is, so you know how when someone sends you a message, you genuinely open it and you think you've replied, and then something gets your attention and you just like, you forget. And the next thing you see from people like this is, you even read and you didn't reply me, blah, 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 blah. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, I didn't even remember I opened the message. And genuinely, if it's someone that knows you, right, they would just understand that, okay, she'll reply. That's how she'll reply. But obviously now, because this person doesn't even know you, and they already feel obligated, like you have to read and respond to their messages or whatever, they get upset, and sometimes they even insult you or become very nasty. And I just feel it's so wrong. Like, it's so wrong. It's not nice. In all levels, it's wrong. Very wrong. And you know how when you go to uni, secondary school, primary school, you have friends. Obviously, you always remember your friends. But then you go out, you see someone, you know those people that went to your church. Maybe your pastor, one of your pastors in your church is their daughter or something, and the ones that time they don't even like you, they probably would judge you. Maybe when you come to church, they're like, why she dressed like that, you know those kind of things. And then they see you maybe at an event now, and you know obviously you're doing well, even if not so fantastic, but you're doing okay, right? And they see you, they walk up to you, Lilian, you know, and then I'm just like, and they try to come and hug you, and I'm just like, hi, hello, hi. I genuinely cannot remember you. Like, I can't remember you. But then I'm trying to be nice, but I can't remember you. And the next thing, guess what? Oh my gosh. They go, don't you remember me? Like, are you serious? You don't remember me now? How can I remember you? Like, I don't. And then I'm like, I'm so sorry. I don't remember you. Like, help me. You know, like, help me. And then they go, pastor, so daughter. And then you think back and you remember that I wasn't even talking to you 10 years ago or whatever. Like, you didn't even see me. You weren't even noticing me. So how all of a sudden you just want me to remember you, and you just hug me? Like, I feel like that's so wrong. Like, you don't just hug someone like you don't know, someone that not friends with you. You have to understand people. So you have to understand if they want you to shake them, if they want you to hug them, or, you know, something. Like, you don't just hug people and come into people's face like that. If you go to like finishing school, I actually went to finishing school in Lagos, Atilia Lifestyle. I always recommend it for people every time, because it teaches you so much how to understand that people have like personal space. People don't want you to just come in their space like that, or just, you know, certain things. Don't just wake up and send a WhatsApp message if the person is not familiar with you. Don't just see someone at an event and just hug them if they don't know you, you know, things like that. Like, it's wrong, guys. It's so wrong. Don't do it. It's not nice, you know. And then you're now so quick to be judgmental. You know, go like, oh, she's so rude. Oh, she's so nasty. Oh, she's so this and that. And then you start telling people, different people, forgetting the scenario, forgetting the situation, forgetting to understand that people are actually different. Like, we're all different. So like, my upbringing, your upbringing is totally different. Obviously, I might have some things I do that's wrong, but I don't know that is wrong because maybe that's how I've been all my life. So obviously, you need to understand that everyone it's just different. And anyways, don't just come on at people like that, people's spaces, send random WhatsApp messages, or just expect them to remember you. Just, you know, introduce yourself. There's no harm in that. Oh, my name is this, my name is that. And always understand that some people have short memories, some people are not good with names. Just always help people, like give them that benefit of doubt. Don't be so quick to like, she's so this, she's so that, she's so this, and she's so that, you know. Don't be so quick to be so, you know what I mean. So anyways, I hope I've been able to tell you something today and you've learned something. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and you know, I love you all. Have a blessed week. Mwah!